Hi, I'm Kelly with ICI Homes, and I'm excited to tell you about our Del Mar. The Del Mar is located at 204 Azure Mist Way in Daytona Beach. This 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home features 2,300 square feet of living space. Relax and enjoy nature on this private conservation home site. This beautiful 2-story home offers a first-floor master suite with a spacious game room and large secondary bedrooms upstairs. I would love to show you this incredible home. Contact me today for a private showing.